Makeup is hard. Makeup is hard. I've heard a lot of people say, "Oh, I don't do makeup because it's too difficult. I just rub my powder and I go." Yes, I used to be like that until I started watching videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram on how to do simple makeup. That was how I learned how to do makeup. Now, as a beginner, you should not start doing your makeup by trying to mimic or copy people that are pro makeup artists or have been doing makeup for a long time. That's why when I recorded this video, I decided to show you simple and easy makeup tutorial that anyone that has foundation and brushes can do. Now, if you want your makeup to come out looking fresh, looking good, you need a very good canvas. I mean, you need to do your skin prep. Notice all I did while I started doing this makeup. Now you need a moisturizer, you need primer, you need to massage it into your skin, then start your makeup. If not, you will see that most times your makeup will be breaking. Okay, just watch how I did this makeup. It is very, very easy and very, very beginner friendly. Feel free to ask me anything that I used and I will tell you. Okay, I did not want to use eye pencil, so I just went ahead to use my brow gel. The brow gel is brown, so it was just easy to just put it on and use my concealer, a shade that is almost the same skin tone as mine, and just blend it out. Once you're a beginner, try to use foundations, concealers that are very, very close to your skin tone. That way, when you are blending, it will be so, so easy. Now, even the brush, notice how I am holding the brush, right? When you're holding the brush, don't be so tight-handed, okay? Try to hold it in such a way that it will be flexible. See, once it comes to makeup, there are some tiny, tiny rules here and there that one needs to follow. If not, your makeup will come out looking so tacky. Now, like I said, skin prep, very, very important. As a beginner, you need primer. Yes, I believe everyone has moisturizer, but you see primer, you need to prime your face so that when you're applying your foundation, it will stick properly. And when you are blending, take your time to first blend your foundation into your skin. For this makeup, if you notice, I did not do so much. That's why I said, okay, let me just share this makeup tutorial that I did so that anyone can just look at it and do the basic things of doing the makeup, and then your makeup will still come out looking nice. Now, you agree with me that there are different types of makeups, right? When you are going for an occasion that you will stay for a long time, there are things you also need to do to make sure that your makeup stays in place. But this one is just a very, very simple makeup. Like if you're going to the market, you just want to go out and buy something, you don't want to go out with your bare face, you can do this makeup. If you are going to work, you can do this makeup. It's not taking too much time, it's not going to take too much of your time. This is one of the way I do my makeup when I am running late and I really want to look put together. I just go for this simple makeup. There's one thing about blush. It makes your face look like you spent time on your mirror doing makeup. Now, for moms out there, this is for you. I have 4 kids, okay? And God be blessed, I have someone that can help me watch them while I do other things. But if you don't have somebody that can help you watch your kids while you're doing your makeup, one thing you can do is, first of all, prepare your children, okay? Maybe if people are going out, you want to go to church and you want to do simple makeup, prepare your children. Then if there is light, hopefully there is light, just put them in the sitting room somewhere you can hear their voice, and then put cartoon for them to watch, okay? Something that will keep them busy while you go into your room. Or you first of all do your makeup, then you go ahead and prepare your children. That's it, it's win-win. One thing about motherhood is just that we are going to always look for a way to balance the whole thing. Personally, I believe in balancing motherhood, girlhood, and everything. I don't want to like forget that I'm a girl while being a mother. That is one of my goals. As a beginner who wants to invest in makeup, one thing you should start doing is to start investing in makeup products, especially brushes. Now, having the right brush will help you in your makeup journey. It will enhance your look. It will also help in the blending process. When I started doing my makeup, I was using any brush that my hand comes across, okay? But with time, I got to learn that, okay, when I want to blend my foundation, there are certain brushes that suit it. Yes, I know people use beauty blenders, but recently I've started using brushes. They just seem to blend more than the beauty blender for me. I feel brushes work better off for me. So I use brushes. Like I was saying, start with drugstore foundation. You mustn't start with expensive foundation, okay? Because you're just trying it out. You want to know the one that suits your color. You want to know the shade that blends well. Try drugstore. From there, you now have a hang of which color suits you. After foundation, you start investing in concealers. Okay, mostly as a beginner, just go one shade lighter than your foundation. That way, when you want to blend, it is going to be so easy. Now, remember your finishing spray. You know, the finishing spray helps the makeup stay in place. That's why I like it. Finishing spray was something that I was not using before. It brings it together, the blush, the foundation, everything. It just marries them together and gives you kind of a very beautiful look. Now, this wig was the one I made by myself. If you want to make a headband wig also, just check down my channel. I'll try and put the link in the description box or somewhere so that you can see it and then do your own simple headband wig. Okay, so I'm done with doing my makeup. My lip is giving. I just did something very, very, very simple, just with my eye pencil and the lipstick that I have. I just did something easy. Now, you think that I am going somewhere, right? Yes. I told you that this makeup is something you can do when you want to go out or anything, but today you'll be shocked to see where I am going to. I almost forgot to mention that when it's time to remove your makeup, make sure you use simple things like micellar water and your cotton pads, okay? It is very, 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 very important. Now, with this simple makeup, you can go to anywhere looking simple and yet put together, okay? But today, I'm not going anywhere. So I'll just go and sleep. Because don't forget to share and like this video. Bye bye.